Hey everyone, I'm Matt. Welcome back to another 2-minute tour. Today we are taking a look at the 2022 Foretravel Realm model LV3. Now this is a beautiful Foretravel motorhome made on a Spartan K4 chassis, 605 horsepower. This is top of the line motorhomes when it comes to this price point. The only thing you can get better than this is like a Newell or a Prevost. So it's a really nice unit. It comes in at about $1.35 million. You got collision mitigation. I love the headlight design. I love the mirrors. Look at the slide outs. Painted curvature slide outs. It's pushed out, compressed with an airbag, so it's fully sealed. They even paint underneath, and these have huge tires, the 365s. Let's take a look at the inside. Inside, notice the steps if you come walking up. You come walking in, you're in the Foretravel. You got heated seats, air-cooled seats, nice embroidery right there. Look at how beautiful the inside of this is. Nice Spartan cockpit area. You got your TV right here with your fireplace across from your living room area. Plenty of cabinetry all the way above. Right over here we have your dinette, your table and chairs, which is very nice. Over here we do have a Bosch refrigerator. Over here, induction pull-out peninsula, dishwasher right there. Very, very nice features. This unit does have a half bath. Okay. And then back here in the bedroom, you do have a TV that comes up on the televator. Nice king-size bed. What is nice about that bed is it does not need to be up for the slide-outs to come in. And then back here, we have an awesome master bathroom. Nice shower right there, toilet, there is an emergency egress door, stackable washer dryer here, dual sinks, very nice, and then plenty of storage space right here. Well guys, that's it. That's just a quick 2-minute tour of the Realm Foretravel. Trust me, if you're interested in this motorhome, make sure you check out my YouTube channel, which is Matt's RV Reviews, and we dive down deep with a Foretravel expert. Or, if you know that this is a unit that you want to buy, great, click that link down below and a member of our team will reach out to you guys and get you guys a phenomenal price. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you next time.